From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of waking up with a dry, scratchy throat and a stuffy nose? I've got the solution for you, and it's the Vicks Embrace Cool Mist Top Fill Humidifier. This powerful and super comfy humidifier is a game changer for anyone who's struggled with coughs and congestion. With its cool mist feature, you can breathe easy knowing that the humidity levels in your medium-sized room are always just right, between 40 to 60%, which is perfect for relieving those annoying cold and flu symptoms. This Vicks Embrace humidifier is not only effective, but it's also sleek and sophisticated, producing a visible cool mist that's both soothing and stylish. The hidden touch controls are a nice touch, making it easy to adjust the settings without having to deal with a bunch of complicated buttons. And with dual vapor pads, you can add that extra layer of relief to help you sleep better and wake up feeling more refreshed. The ultra-quiet operation and dimming lights make it perfect for bedrooms and living rooms, and the large tank opening and up to 24-hour runtime mean you can just set it and forget it. As one of the most well-reviewed humidifiers on the market, thousands of customers have already discovered the benefits of the Vicks Embrace Cool Mist Top Fill Humidifier. With its intelligent design and precision settings, it's no wonder why Vicks is the #1 brand recommended by pediatricians. Whether you're looking for a natural way to promote wellness or just want to breathe a little easier, this humidifier is the perfect solution. So why wait? Give it a try and start sleeping better and feeling more comfortable in your own home. With its powerful relief and stylish design, you won't be disappointed. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.